Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we are back from the Acme show. We made it home safely. Everything was all good and well and all that great stuff. So we had a great trip. Wife and I, we kind of made a little bit of vacation out of it. I'll show you another video here real quick here. Kind of our where we went and kind of just the roundabout trip we took. All around it was about 2,000 plus miles round trip. I tried to keep track of it, but it's like, whatever. It's all good. So on our way down, had to stop at the old Waffle House. Heck yeah, I thought, man, I got me some of those mugs. So I thought, it's funny. I know a lot of you people from the South, you're like, place kind of disgusting. Yes, it is. But you know what? It's one of those greasy spoons. I love it. We don't have none around here. I don't see them until about mid-Ohio. We start seeing Waffle Houses, and always got to hit one up at least one time we're down there. So I thought, I'm going to get me a mug while we're there. Other than that, great show. It was good meeting a lot of you people. A lot of my subscribers and my fellow YouTubers. It was a real good time, and yeah, it was good stuff. So I'm probably gonna do this in 2 videos. I'm gonna show you quick what I picked up at the show while we're down there. I did not get a lot of stuff. I mean, I didn't get hardly anything at all because I was talking too much and I really didn't have a lot of time to go do shopping. And B, I'm just looking for specific things. You know what I mean? I have a lot of kits here now. I don't want to be that guy that has like 600 of them and now I got to sell my collection off because it's invading my space. More kits the merrier, absolutely. But I was just looking for specific things. So I'll show you what I picked up. A couple things I got. I just got 2 kits and I grabbed some paint. That's all I really grabbed. So I grabbed the Shelby GT350R. This is a nice kit, sealed in plastic. It was a great price, couldn't turn it down. I actually had this kit. I traded it to Tony Lancer a while back. And I thought, you know what? I saw this and I thought, I wouldn't mind building that kit. So I thought, I'm going to pick that up. And another kit I picked up, and you guys are going to be like, really? I picked up another EXP model. These are very hard to come by. I got this thing for like real good price, It's open box. Everything is in there. Little thing a lot of you guys don't know is that this kit builds out the same as the blue box kit with the white stripes on it. And these kits are hard to come by because a lot of guys are making the Bob Glidden pro drag cars out of them. That's what's happening to these kits. So they're getting very hard to come by. But like I say, you can still do the stock version. And the only thing difference is nothing. So other than it has tinted glass. So that's the only real difference in this kit. There's tinted windows in it, which I kind of like that in the kit. So other than that, we picked that up. So I picked up some paints. So I bought some MCW paints. I got some antique silver, some gloss black, some silver birch. Silver birch is the color they had on the, help me out there. Oh, like the James Bond, the Austin Martin cars. That's this color. I thought, man, that would look sweet on some things. I got some gold, just regular gold, just old school gold. I've been wanting to put that on some few things. And I got some Hugger orange. Which I believe this is very similar to like the Calypso orange that Ford uses. And then I picked up this red. I really don't know, Marshino. I think it's Marshino red. We'll go with that. That just looked like a super cool color. And other color I picked up was competition orange. So this color is the same color that GM used back in '69 for their red color. Drawing a blank on the name of that color right now. Still drawing a blank. This is going to be for my '69 GTO model that I'm going to do a giveaway on. So we're going to build this on the show coming up. So I was glad to see this and I wanted to pick this up. Last thing I picked up was this lacquer. This is black texture lacquer, it's called. Mike from MCW's there, and this is for doing the vinyl tops on the car. So I guess you spray this on some nice smooth surface and it will wrinkle down real nice like a vinyl top. I've not yet tried this stuff. I'm going to give it a try, see how it works. He had a couple different colors. He had that kind of that blue color, and then he had the brown and then the black. So I thought, you know what, I'll try the black. We'll see how that goes and go from there. Other than that, I got my skeleton from Rick Zink. Thanks, Rick, for that. Stay with me, little buddy. And yeah, so we'll get that. Probably if I held it right, it probably wouldn't do that, right? So we're going to give that guy a little home here and put him up somewhere. So I appreciate Rick coming up to me and giving me that. That was awesome. So once again, it was great meeting a lot of you guys. I'm so looking forward to going back. We had a great time. Next year is 60 years of Mustang. So right in my alley, so I'm definitely going to be down for that one. Other than that, let me take you over to the bench, and I'll show you some of the show. Probably going to do a two-part video on this, so stick around for the other video coming out probably the next day. Like I said, we just got home, so I have not had time to be on YouTube or video making or anything like that. So it's been a long round trip, almost like 7 days on the road or something like that. So yeah, other than that, I'll take you over. Let's check out the show and all that good stuff. I didn't get any at the beginning of the show because I went in solo. So I'm carrying my model kit, so I had no way to do video anything. So we're just going to go right to the tables and head out that way. Let's take a look.